Friends, hello and welcome on techguruspeaks.com. Today's topic of discussion is Python, and we are going to write our first program in Python. But before writing program, we need to see what are the features of Python programming language. Python is basically an interpreted general purpose high level programming language. So it supports a line by line execution. It can support for multiple programming paradigms like object oriented, procedural, imperative, and functional. It has got many standard libraries such as NumPy, Numeric Python, SciPy, Scientific Python, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Keras, etc. Initially, it was mainly developed for emphasis on code readability using white spaces in a clever way or intelligent way. The syntax of the programming language helps us to express concepts using a fewer lines of code. Python interpreters are available for many operating systems. CPython is called the reference implementation, which is basically an open source software. Python programming language can be used for rapid application development. That means it supports RAD model and it can be used to perform complex mathematics. Nowadays, machine learning, ML, Internet of Things, IoT, and big data analytics, maybe using Hadoop or Spark based applications, use Python extensively. The most recent version of the language is Python 3, which we will be using here throughout the tutorial. However, Python 2 is still quite popular and it is going parallelly because the legacy codes are written using Python 2. But in this tutorial, we are going to follow Python 3. Now, the thing is that after writing a program, how can you run it? That is a question to be asked. Remember that a Python program is having .py file extension. So here we can have two options. Either we can write or develop the program using Notepad++, which is a very popular editor, and after writing it we can call the Python interpreter for execution of those program files. The Python installer is available from python.org. The thing is that whenever you are trying to install it and after the install is being finished, you must add it to your operating system path environment variable. So that is the first option. The second option talks about using IDs like Spider, PyCharm, though here we will be using Spider, which is basically a particular kind of software package, part of Anaconda software platform. So it is available from anaconda.com. So now we will write a simple hello world program, and first we will try to write it using Notepad++ and then run it by using Python interpreter. Then we will try to run the same program. Say for example, it is named test.py by using the Spider IDE. So let's see what happens. I think you will enjoy it. So first I will be taking the test.py Python program file. It is basically saved in the directory python underscore program, which is placed under the C partition. So from there I have opened this file and have written a single line of code like print hello world. The thing is that it is basically using the syntax of Python 3, and the important thing is that here you don't have to provide any semicolon, unlike C, C++ or Java. That is beauty of Python. So here, without using semicolon, we can write our code. Now how do you run it? For that you need a command interpreter, and you must ensure that your path environment variable is having pointing towards the Python interpreter. Now how can you check it? Here you have to type python ---- version. So it will show you the current version being installed. That means what? I have successfully installed Python in my machine. Now I'll be trying to run this program named test.py. So first I have to write here Python followed by the name of the program. As you know, Python is basically Python in lowercase. It is an interpreter, so it supports line by line execution. So if I am pressing enter, it will be trying to run it, and the corresponding message has been shown here. Now apart from Python interpreter, there is also an powerful interactive command shell that is called IPython, where you can write individual command. While in a Python program you have to write one or more than command, but here at a time you can run only one command. So IPython I am writing here, so it is showing the particular line. Say I am writing here print, so simple hello world I am writing here. And now I am pressing enter here, so it will be showing the message. Similarly, I can take any variable, suppose x, and it is initialized with the value 10, and if I press enter and try to print x, it will be shown in the screen. Now in order to exit from this interactive Python command shell, I have to write here quit, then comes a bracket symbol and press enter. Hopefully you have understood how to write a program using an editor like Notepad++, and then run it by using Python interpreter. Apart from that, I have also demonstrated the powerful interactive command shell named IPython. Now we'll be trying to run the same program by using the Spider ID, which is part of the Anaconda software platform. So here I have got Spider ID, so I have written the same line of code because I am pointing toward the same program name, that is test.py, which is stored under C:python underscore program that you can see here. So now I will be doing what? I will be trying to run it. In order to run it, I have to press this button. So if I am pressing it, it will be shown over here. The output is shown over here. Now it is also having the IPython that is called, that is a basis of Jupyter notebook, so that I can also perform here. If I am copying it, say and writing or pasting it there and press enter, so it will be showing hello world. Similarly, I can write here x equal to 10 and print x, like it will show the value of x. So in that way I can use the IPython here, which is a powerful interactive command shell. So I can write here only one individual command at a time. So that is the basis of writing or developing a Python program, either using an editor like Notepad++ and then run it by using Python interpreter, or you can use the Spider IDE. Since it is an IDE, it is having all the features included, like you can develop a program, run it, or at the same time you can have the IPython console for running individual commands. So I hope that you have understood what is the basis of writing a simple Python program and how to run it by using Python interpreter from the command prompt. It is basically the command prompt, or by using the Spider IDE. I hope that you have watched my video thoroughly and you have also liked it, but I am requesting you, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and the channel link is given here. Please visit my website for useful information. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.